Hey guys, I'm a YouTube junkie. The other day, I was surfing on YouTube and I tripped over something uh, which said how to indicate a square piece in a four-jaw chuck. I, you know, I had seen it before, but next thing you know, it was A-bomb, I guess. Next thing you know, I was looking at a video put out by Joe Pye. The next thing you know, AI, artificial intelligence, I was flooded with the same subject. How to indicate a square piece in a four-jaw chuck. Alright? Well, about 5 years ago, I developed this little product and I went to sleep on it. I put it to bed. Other shit got in the way and it laid on a back burner. Here's what it looks like. This may entertain you, right? But what I'm going to do is send. I got a friend that I interact with. I sent him one of this, and I made a video so he would understand what the hell it was. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play that video for you, and it may entertain you. All right? Okay, we're off and running. Watch this. Hey, Doug, you'll never guess who this is. Take a look at that ugly motherfucker, that picture there. It's your buddy, the Grand Poobah. I just want to sign in. I'm going to lay some shit on you, okay? Hang on. Alright, I'm going to be sending you something we never talked about, alright? I know you're a tool junkie, right? Alright? You can see on the left it's called Four Jaw Wizard. I got 3 views, alright? Top view, an angular view, you can see them grippers there. There's a bottom half and a top half. When you take the top half off, you got these bosses in there. You don't know what the bosses are for right now, what they look like. I'm going to elaborate. Let me just blow this up. All right, first of all, you see there's an O-ring in the bottom half. See, I got it highlighted. Why is the O-ring there? When you put the cover on, it stays on tight. You know, the rubber compresses and holds it on so it don't fall apart and then bosses don't fall out. Alright? Sounds dumb, but that's what it is. Alright? Alright. Let me go over here. Let me blow this up. Alright, when you want to put well, it's too big. Let me blow it down. When you're in a four-jaw chuck, this obnoxious tool is for when you want to put a piece of square stock or rectangular stock in a four-jaw chuck and get it running through. There's a lot of ways of doing this. This tool makes it a little easier. You see it here? What you got is them 4 bosses. See them 4 bosses? I'm going to elaborate. And you got an O-ring. What's the O-ring for? The O-ring is to hold the bosses on the corners. You see it? Alright? Let me go over here. Alright? You see them blue things? Them are the bosses. Right here. See? Let me blow it up a little. I'm doing a lot of blowing. I should have been a fucking queer. Here we go. Alright, you see that boss there? I'm going to project it up. See it right on the top? That's on. There's 4 corners on a square. I'm showing 3 here. When you put them bosses on, see it says indicator path? Obviously, you rotate and that's where your indicator goes. These are held on, right? And you indicate it. Alright? I'm showing, I'm making it symmetrical. You wouldn't use it like I got it shown here. But you see what the boss looks like when they blow it up again. The boss looks like this. It's round, right? It's got a 90 cut in it, right? And if you look here, it's got an O-ring. It's got a groove. The radius is 0695. Why is that? Because the cross section is 0.139, right? 0695 is half of 139. So that radius accommodates the O-ring. You can buy these O-rings, different lengths, but with the same cross section. So when you're doing stuff, you got a handful of them. They stretch and they're forgiving. You understand? All right. Let me see what the fuck I'm doing. Let me review that. Well, I'm going to be sending you one of these, right? I know you're a tool junkie. You'll get your rocks off over this. How often you indicate square stuff? Not too often. How often you going to use it? Not too often. But you may find applications for this for other shit. You understand? I hope this is clear enough for you. But that's all I got. How do you like them apples? I'm going to put it together with your quick bore kit, and when it shows up, at least you'll have an idea of what the hell it's all about. All right, guy? I'm out of here.